Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can run ads on Instagram, so let's get right into it. As you can see, for this tutorial, I am using this online guide. The reason being that I cannot access ads since they are paid for, and I don't have the resources currently to pay for them to, well, display it or to demonstrate it. So I'll just be going over the instructions here. You also do need a business account on Facebook, Meta, Instagram, whatever you want to call it. And then you're going to have to go to your ads manager, which I also don't have set up. So I'm going to be explaining from this instruction set here. Now, what you're going to want to do first to run ads on Instagram is to go to the ads manager. As I mentioned, you'll have to log into your Meta account, and then once you're there, you'll have access to your tools. Then you need to enter a payment information, your payment information, a payment method, and other information which might be needed. And then you need to, as you can see, select create, from where you need to choose an objective that supports Instagram as an ad placement. From there, you need to select continue, then fill in the details of your ad set. Then after you've selected everything, you need to select manual placements in the placement section. And then in order to run ads on your profile feed on Instagram, you also need to select the Instagram feed placement, and both will be selected by default. So you need to change it to whatever you want. Then you need to tick the box next to any other placement that you want, then select continue. And after that, you'll pay for those ads, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.